teacher's bell. We're learning rings a bell.
Good day, everyone! Welcome to Science 3 Revised K-12 Curriculum, Quarter 3, Week 2, Day 1. Factors affecting the movement of an object. We have here size and shape. Learning objective. By the end of the lesson, learners should be able to describe how the size and shape of an object affect its movement. Activating prior knowledge. Let's recall what we already know about how objects move. What are some objects that move easily? How do wheels help a car move? What do you think? Roll faster, a big box or a ball? So we have here a book, an airplane, paper airplane, a cube, and a ball. Which do you think can roll? Which can slide? Which can fly? Today, we will learn how the size and shape of an object affect the way it moves. After this lesson, you will be able to explain why a ball rolls but a box slides. Are you ready? Alright! Lesson Language Practice. Sentence Starters. Complete the sentence. The blank moves easily because it is blank. Let's complete it. The ball moves easily because it is round. Another one. The blank moves easily because it is. The marble moves easily because it is small and smooth. Now it's your turn to complete the sentence. Sentence 2. A blank object rolls, but a blank object slides. Okay, let's think. Okay, here's the example. A round object rolls, but a flat object slides. A blank rolls, but a blank slides. Let's complete it. A ball rolls, but a book slides. Alright. It's now your time to complete the sentence. Alright, good job! For our third sentence, the shape of the object affects how it blank. Yes, how it moves. Another example, the shape of an object affects how it rolls or slides. Now, it's your turn to complete the sentence. Good job! For our key idea, the size and shape of an object affect how it moves. Well, what does this sentence mean? Yes, the way an object moves changes if its size or shape changes. Which words tells us what affects movement? Yes, it is the size and shape. Correct. Developing understanding of the key idea. So we have here the activity 1, the roll, the slide, or stay. We have here the materials. We have the ball, the cube, the toy car, and the book. So, one, place its object on a flat table or inclined plane. 2, push its object gently. 3, observe how they move. Are you ready? Alright, we're giving you the time to perform the activity. Alright, so we have here the table of the objects. What did it do after you push it gently and why? Okay, we have here the ball. The ball rolled. Why? Why do you think so? Yes, because it is round in shape. Next is cube. Okay, the cube slide. Why? Because it has flat sides. The third one is the toy car. What do you think did it do? Yes, it rolled. Why? Because the wheels are round. And our last example is the book. What did it do? Yes, it slide. Why? Because it has flat surface. Okay. Which objects rolled? Which objects slide? How did their shape affect movement? Yes, round objects roll easily, while flat objects slide or move slowly. Activity 2, paper test. Our materials, paper. So 1, make 2 paper objects. We have a paper ball and a paper airplane. 2, throw each gently and observe. Alright, we're giving you the time to perform the activity. Okay, for our result of our paper test, our paper ball rolled or fell. Which went farther? It has shorter distance. Why do you think so? Because it is round, but it is heavier. So for our next is the paper airplane. What type of movement? It glided and flew. Which went farther? Well, of course, the paper airplane. Why do you think so? Because it is shaped to move through air easily. Alright. Why do round objects roll easily? Yes, because they have no corners and it can turn smoothly. What happens when an object is too heavy or too big? Yes, it moves more slowly or may not move easily. Can the same object move differently if we change its shape? Yes, like the paper. Paper can fly as a plane or roll as a ball. For our generalization, 1. The size and shape of an object affect how it moves. 2. Shape generalization. Round objects roll easily, while flat or irregular objects slide or move slowly. 3. For the size, small and light objects move faster and farther when pushed, while big or heavy objects move slower or stop sooner. Evaluation! Get your notebooks. Are you ready? Alright! Direction. Choose the correct answer. 1. What affects how an object moves? A. Color. B. Size and shape. C. Number of objects. D. Temperature. Two. What kind of object rolls easily? A. Flat object. B. Round object. C. Soft object. D. Square object. Three. Which object will slide more easily? A. A flat book. B. A ball. C. A marble. D. A wheel. 4. Which object will move slower when pushed? A. Small light ball. B. Big heavy box. C. Marble. D. Small coin. 5. Which statement is true? A. All objects roll. B. Shape does not affect movement. C. Size and shape affect movement. D. Objects move the same way. Why does a big object move slowly? A. Because it is light. B. Because it is heavy. C. Because it is round. D. Because it is colorful. 7. Which object will roll the farthest? A. A round small marble. B. A flat heavy book. C. A square box. D. A pillow. 8. Which object will stop quickly when pushed? A. A small rubber ball. B. Large heavy rock. C. Marble. D. Small coin. 9. Which object is most likely to slide? A. A ball. B. A cube. C. A round toy, car wheel. D. A marble. 10. A small, light object is pushed. What will most likely happen? A. It moves fast and far. B. It does not move. C. It breaks. D. It sinks. Alright, are you ready for the evaluation answers? Okay, 1. What affects how an object moves? The answer is B. Size and shape. 2. What kind of object rolls easily? The answer is B. Round object. 3. Which object will slide more easily? The answer is A. A flat book. 4. Which object will move slower when pushed? The answer is B. Big heavy box. 5. Which statement is true? The answer is C. Size and shape affect movement. 6. Why does a big object move slowly? The answer is B. Because it is heavy. 7. Which object will roll the farthest? The answer is A. A round small marble. 8. Which object will stop quickly when pushed? The answer is B. Large heavy rock. 9. Which object is most likely to slide? The answer is B. A cube. 10. A small light object is pushed. What will most likely happen? The answer is A. It moves fast and far. Good job, kids! Great job!
Teacher's bell. We're learning rings a bell.